Technology Chat with Engineers. In first episode of Artificial Intelligence we are going to discuss introduction of AI and fields of AI. Now let's start. Artificial intelligence (AI) is the field of study that deals with the creation of computer programs that are capable of doing activities that normally require human intellect, such as perception, logic, learning, judgment, and natural language processing. Artificial intelligence (AI) systems are made to comprehend and analyze complicated data, learn from patterns and experiences, and generate predictions or suggestions based on that data. Rule-based systems, symbolic AI, machine learning, and deep learning are a few of the several methods used in AI. In rule-based systems, rules and logical relationships are programmed into computers to allow them to make choices based on input data. In symbolic AI, knowledge and reasoning are represented symbolically, such as through logical assertions. In order to generate predictions or choices, machine learning includes training algorithms using data sets. Artificial neural networks are trained in deep learning, a kind of machine learning, to spot patterns and take judgment calls. Natural language processing, picture and audio recognition, autonomous cars, medical diagnosis, and fraud detection are just a few of the many uses for AI. It is anticipated that AI will become more significant in many facets of contemporary life as it develops. The ethical implications of AI, particularly in regards to issues like prejudice, job displacement, and privacy, are a worry as well. Because to the availability of enormous quantities of data, increased processing power, and advancements in algorithms and approaches, AI has been developing quickly in recent years. We are going to talk about some of the most significant recent advancements in AI. Natural language processing. AI systems are getting better at comprehending and interpreting spoken and written human language. As a result, chatbots, virtual assistants, and other AI-powered communication tools have been created. Identification of images and videos. AI systems are already capable of identifying and analyzing photos and videos, opening the door for uses like facial recognition, object detection, and autonomous vehicles. Automation and robotics. In industries like manufacturing, shipping, and customer service, AI is also being utilized to automate jobs that were traditionally carried out by people. Healthcare. From evaluating medical imaging to forecasting patient outcomes, AI is being utilized to better medical diagnosis and treatment. The potential for AI to aggravate current prejudices and inequality is one of the main worries. For instance, an AI system that has been educated on biased data may end up making biased conclusions. The potential for AI to automate occupations and result in major job displacement in some areas is another cause for concern. Researchers and decision makers are looking at ways to guarantee that AI is developed and used in an ethical and responsible manner in order to allay these worries. This involves initiatives to remove bias in AI systems, improve openness and accountability in decision making, and establish legislation to control the development and use of AI technology. Together with these initiatives, there are continuous discussions regarding AI's future and its effects on society. Several experts contend that AI might fundamentally alter how we live and work, enhancing productivity, efficiency, and quality of life. Others, however, are concerned that AI may result in a day when humans are mostly replaced by robots, causing massive unemployment and societal upheaval. The idea of human-centered AI, which emphasizes the need to make sure that AI is created in a way that improves and supports human well-being, is being investigated by some researchers and politicians as a response to these worries. This strategy entails valuing human values like privacy, justice, and autonomy and building AI systems that are visible, explicable, and responsible. The need to address ethical issues, such as the potential for AI to be used maliciously or in ways that violate human rights, is a crucial factor to take into account while developing AI. AI-driven surveillance systems, for instance, might be used to follow people without their knowledge or agreement, which raises severe privacy and civil rights issues. Several academics are advocating for the creation of a worldwide framework for AI governance to solve these issues. This framework would create standards and norms for the morally and responsibly developing and utilizing AI technology. Regulations to guarantee that AI systems are created and utilized in a way that is consistent with human values and ethical principles might be included in this. Measures like mandated ethical impact evaluations for AI projects could also be included. In general, the creation of AI is a complicated and diverse topic that need careful consideration of a variety of ethical, societal, and economic concerns. Although AI has the potential to revolutionize many facets of contemporary life, it is crucial that we approach its research and application in a way that puts human values and ethical standards first and makes sure that the advantages of AI are distributed fairly across society. The potential for AI to both generate new kinds of inequality and worsen current ones is a major issue of worry as it relates to its development. A digital gap, for instance, where individuals who have access to AI and associated technology have a sizable edge over those who do not, is one possibility that has raised worries. Similar worries surround the possibility that AI can result in a concentration of wealth and power in the hands of a small number of powerful corporations or governments, causing even more inequality and societal instability. Several experts are pushing for the creation of laws and policies that encourage easier access to artificial intelligence and associated technologies in order to allay these worries, as well as initiatives to make sure that the advantages of AI are distributed more fairly throughout society. This may entail taking steps to guarantee that AI is utilized in a way that helps everyone in society, not just a privileged few, such as funding AI education and training programs, assisting the growth of AI startups and small enterprises, and setting rules. Finally, it is important to remember that AI is a science that is fast developing, making it challenging to make sure predictions about how it will develop over the next several years and decades. What is certain, though, is that AI will continue to play a significant role in many facets of contemporary life, including healthcare, education, transportation, and entertainment. As a result, it is crucial that we approach the development of AI with consideration and responsibility, giving human values and ethical principles the first priority, and working to make sure that the advantages of AI are distributed fairly across society. The development of AI will need to engage a wide range of stakeholders in order to meet these objectives, including researchers, legislators, business executives, and the general public. This will need constant contact and cooperation between these many parties as well as a dedication to openness, accountability, and transparency. The creation of AI ethical principles and standards is a significant step in this approach. These regulations, which offer a framework for moral AI development and application, have been produced by a number of organizations, including the IEEE, the European Union, and the Partnership on AI. These recommendations frequently place a strong emphasis on the value of openness, responsibility, and human-centered design, as well as the necessity of addressing problems like prejudice and inequity. In the end, the advancement of AI will necessitate constant attention and work from all interested parties, as well as a dedication to weighing the advantages and disadvantages of these potent new technologies. Although there are tremendous potential benefits from AI, it is crucial that we develop and implement technology in a way that puts human values and ethical principles first and seeks to guarantee that these benefits are distributed fairly throughout society. The requirement to handle challenges connected to privacy and data protection is a key factor in the development of AI. To learn and make predictions, AI systems need enormous volumes of data, and this data frequently contains personal information about individuals. These laws often ask for organizations to get people's permission before collecting and using personal data, as well as to put security measures in place to guard against theft or illegal access. The possibility for prejudice and discrimination is a crucial factor to be taken into account while developing AI. AI algorithms can only be as effective as the data they are trained on, and if this data is biased or lacking, the resulting algorithm may continue to reinforce this prejudice. There are worries that this might result in unfair results, such as when AI-powered recruiting tools unjustly exclude some candidates based on their ethnicity or gender. Several experts are pushing for the creation of more representative and varied datasets as well as the adoption of more visible and comprehensible algorithms in order to solve these issues. Moreover, others are urging the creation of rules requiring businesses to audit and keep an eye on their AI systems for any biases or discriminatory outcomes. In conclusion, the development of AI is a complicated and diverse topic that necessitates carefully taking a variety of ethical, societal, and economic considerations into account. Although AI has the potential to revolutionize many facets of contemporary life, it is crucial that we approach its research and application in a way that puts human values and ethical standards first and makes sure that the advantages of AI are distributed fairly across society. It will be necessary for scholars, legislators, business leaders, and the general public to work together continuously and communicate openly, as well as to commit to openness, accountability, and open communication. The possibility of employment displacement and automation is another difficulty in the development of AI. As AI technology develops, it may eventually be able to carry out jobs that were previously done by humans, which might result in job losses in some sectors of the economy. There are worries that this would make current economic disparities worse and cause social upheaval. Several experts are pushing for the creation of regulations and programs that assist employees who may be harmed by automation and job displacement in order to address these issues. To assist workers in switching to new occupations, this might include retraining programs, job placement services, and social safety nets. Others are also urging the creation of laws that guarantee that the advantages of automation and AI be distributed more fairly across society, such as through the use of progressive taxes and the implementation of a universal basic income. The potential for exploitation or abuse of these technologies is yet another crucial factor in the evolution of AI. AI has the potential to be used to create new weapons, monitor people, or launch cyberattacks. There are worries that this may have serious negative effects on people, society, and possibly international security. Some experts are urging the creation of international agreements and rules to control the use of AI in delicate fields like cybersecurity and weapon development in order to allay these worries. Others are also pushing for the creation of moral standards and principles that might help guarantee that AI is created and applied in a way that upholds ethical standards and human values rather than continuing damage or fostering new kinds of inequity. In conclusion, the development of AI is a complicated and diverse topic that necessitates carefully taking a variety of ethical, societal, and economic considerations into account. It will be necessary for scholars, legislators, business leaders, and the general public to work together continuously and communicate openly, as well as to commit to openness, accountability, and open communication.
Much for watching.